puzzle consists of 14 identical pieces. Now try to pay attention. This could get confusing. And no, there will not be a test. Center notches engage. Next one's make sure that the notches face the same direction as this one here. Forward, towards you. Same thing in the back. Lock the top ones on. Top one faces up, notches up. And on the bottom, notches face down. Do not let this thing come apart in your hands as you're doing this. It's going to want to do that. There you go. Working on the top, this slot right here. These two slots face out. Mirror this all the way around. Slots on the other side face out. On the bottom, right there. Stick one up in there, let that face out. Keep a good grip on it. This one, right here. Notches face out. Now basically this is the orientation that you started in, right here. Watch this. As you index it, push your thumbs on these and give it a push. And it opens up for you. And pieces try to escape, don't let that happen. There is no easy way to hold this right now. When you put this on, make sure that when you put the next piece on, this is really ugly, that the center notch faces that way, away from you. And I will just do one piece and I will show you why that is. When it comes back down, you want this piece and this piece to be able to notch together. Okay? Same thing with the one in the front. Notch goes to the rear. Now, if you have enough hands and you haven't completely lost your mind at this point, this thing is really hard to hold together. Just do the exact same thing on this side. And the exact same thing on the back. And then exercise a little patience and let it rock back down into its original position. And there you go. Okay, here's the 12 piece. Let's take it apart real quick, put it back together real quick. This one you start a little differently. Good place to start, right there. Pegs to the rear. Opening facing out. Squeeze either one of these ends and it will bind and it will stay together. Stick a piece down the center with the pegs facing to the right, with the openings facing to the right. Same thing in the front. Openings facing to the right. Two pieces top and bottom. You want the notch facing up. And on the bottom you want the notch facing down. Now on this one right here, lay that in there. And let me see which way that slides. Oh. Notches face to the rear, maintaining the original orientation. Same thing on the bottom. Bring it up between the two on the bottom, lock it on, and now give it that hypodermic little thing. There you go. One's on the side, two facing you, one going in. Maintain pressure on the three so it doesn't come apart. And now push it back together. There you go. 12 pieces. Two spares. Unless you want to put it together, 14. That's all it takes. Hope you enjoyed that.